Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about to enable few options after getting monetization approval so that you can get revenue from YouTube channel. First of all, go to your YouTube studio and you can just see the dashboard like this, right? So just scroll down and you can find out monetization option. I'll just zoom it for a clear reference. Just click on monetization option. So when you apply for monetization and it is approved, then you'll be having your monetization page like this. So you'll be having many options to get more money. If you just click on that blue button, you'll be getting number of options or ways to earn money. And now coming to the straight point without just talking nonsense, go to videos option. In this videos option, you can just see after monetization you'll be having an extra option called monetization, and but you can just see everything in monetization is on off, right? So we need to enable few things. For that, you can just see the videos option, right? So just click on that checkbox. So for every page we have 30 videos. So for every page 30 videos have been selected for this page. And now click on edit option. After clicking on edit option, you can find monetization. So just click on monetization, and if it is on off option, please make sure that you keep it on button, okay? As it is, mine is not activated still, so I just need to again do this. So I just keep it on and I will update that, okay? So I'll be getting a pop-up like this. This means, are you sure you wanted to update this option? After updating, you cannot change it. So that is what they are telling. Yes, we don't want it to change again. Just click on checkbox. Yes, I understand. And now click on update videos. So it takes multiple couple of minutes, so just please wait and have some patience because we are having totally 30 videos and it need to be updated, so it just takes up some time. So the main reason for enabling these all options is after we all get monetization approval, we think that actually we get money after enabling or after getting monetization will be getting revenue, but this is absolutely wrong. Yes, we are a partner of YouTube members, but we cannot get revenue. If you do these options only, then you can generate revenue from your videos. So please do carefully everything in this way. So please do enable and please wait for a couple of seconds so that you can understand it clearly. So if you do not have that much time, please skip the video for 3 minutes 24 seconds and you can find the updation and you can see the changes. And yes, it is updated, right? So before it was on off mode, but now it is on mode. That means you can generate money from now, okay? So let's do the same process for all other videos as well. At a stretch, we can do 30 videos updations, and for the next 30 videos we need to do the same process again. For that, again I am just showing you. Click on videos option, go to edit. On edit, go for monetization. Just click on option. Now update videos. Click on checkbox and update videos. And yes, you can just see that it is updated. So let's scroll down and see is all or updated or not. And yes, it is updated, okay? And now you can just see a small difference that is limited here, right? This is nothing but you have limited ads for this particular video because the type of content doesn't suit for any ad, so that they give some limited ads only. We will get less revenue for this type of videos, so don't worry about this. We get normally like this, so don't worry about these type of options, okay? And now let's see if any other videos are left over to update. Yes, we found we are having some videos to be updated. So that click on videos, go for edit, monetization, click on and update videos, click on checkbox and do update videos. It takes some time. And finally, the final videos has also been done. And yes, finally it is all done. And now let's check for a reference is all the videos have been updated or not. Let's go down and check every video has been covered. Okay, yes, first page is done. Yes, all are okay. Next page is also, yeah, okay. Yes, I have done for all the videos. I have approximately 70 to 75 videos. For every 30 videos we need to do the same process. So if you do this option itself, if you just enable this, then you can get revenue from YouTube channel. Okay, by just monetizing your channel, that doesn't mean you'll get revenue. You just need to do all these type of options so that you can get revenue from YouTube channel. And that's it for this session. Hope you are liking this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.